sua ururi whai o yo. Kia tata mai koe ki te whakaora i a mātou. Arai ki a mātou ngā whakawanga a te ao. A te ki whakato, a te rewera, te āwhina mātou e ihoa. Kia ora ki mātou i tuai. Gloria ki te tau. Amen.
Amen. Tuia ki te rangi, tuia ki te whenua, tuia ki te moana, tuia te here tangata. E rongo te pō, e rongo te ao. Tēnā tātou katoa. Kei te kairuruku hāpuri ki Otara Waterways and Lake Trust ahau, ko Charlotte Liriko tōku ingoa. Kia ora everyone, my name is Charlotte and I'm the Community Coordinator for the Otara Waterways and Lake Trust, and I would like to welcome you back to our Pou Maumahara Matariki Future Forest. The mihi that I started with means to bind the tapestry of life which affirms our connection to the natural world, to tai ao, to the celestial, earthly realms, to water, which is the sustenance for all life, and reminds us to keep everything in balance. And by planting these trees to remember your loved ones, you are helping to restore the balance. So ngā mihi. Come back here often to check on te rākau and spend some time just sitting and being. Research has proven that trees can help reduce stress and boost your mood and help you feel better. So come and have a kōrero with your loved ones and leave your take or your problems here. I would also like to acknowledge mana whenua, Nai Taiki Tāmaki, Accelerating Aotearoa and the Geep Camp, Kaiawhina and Tamariki. The local Otara local board and the stream team who tidied up a little bit yesterday, just so that we could get around our rākau. We actually leave it quite long, which helps to protect them as they're growing. So yeah. Nau te raurau, nāku te raurau, ka ora ai te iwi. So we want you to make this a special place for you and your whānau, and we've had these taonga made. The pictures are for you to take home, and these are the namestakes that will replace the temporary ones that we've put in. And so this is to encourage you all to come back here, like I said, and just sit and just be. It's a lovely place to come and remember our loved ones. One day, this will be ngāhere for all our tamariki to enjoy. So, kia ora.